We are discussing question number 9 from exercise number 2.5. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. We have to simplify. After simplification, we must solve the given linear equations. In solution, write the question as it is. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equals to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. In this step, first we have to simplify the brackets. So this bracket is consisting of two terms. One is 5z and another is minus 7. So both the terms are multiplied with the 3. So 3 into 5z minus 7. So 3 is multiplying both the numbers. First, this is 3 means plus 3. This is 5z means plus 5z. Plus bracket is nothing but into. Plus into plus, plus only. So we are not writing. 3 into 5, 15z. So this is completed. Next, we have to multiply these two. Plus into minus. Minus 3 into 7. 3 into 7. 3 into 7 is 21. Same way, we can multiply this 9z minus 11 with minus 2. This is plus 9. Minus into plus is minus. 2 into 9z is 18z. 2 into 9 is 18 and this is z. Next, minus, this is nothing but into. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus. 2 into 11 is 22. Equal to. These two terms 8z minus 3 are multiplied with 4. So 4 into 8z plus into plus is plus. 4 into 8 is 32 z. Plus into minus is minus. 4 into 13 is 52. And this minus 17 as usual. Now see left side only, equal symbol left side. There are two z terms. One is 15z and another one is minus 18z. Remaining two are constants only. For some time we are not minding the constants. 15z minus 18z. 15 minus 18 is minus 3. Since these are z terms, so minus 3z. Minus 21 plus 22 is nothing but 22 minus 21 is plus 1. So these two, if you simplify, you will get plus 1. Now only z term is single number, that only you copy. Minus 52 minus 17, both are negative, so answer also negative. 52 and 17, that is 69, minus 69. Now if you wanted to simplify, still simplification is required and also solving also there. So here what we will do, plus 1 and this minus 69 are constants. Constants are one side, z terms are one side we will do. Since this is minus 3z and this is 32z, which is bigger one? 32z, and which is smaller one? Minus 3z. Smaller one only I wanted to transpose to this side, and this minus 69 I wanted to take to this side. It will become as plus 69. So 1 is as usual, minus 69 will become as 69. 32z is 32z only. Minus 3z will become as plus 3z. 32z plus 3z. 32 plus 3 is 35z. 1 plus 69 is 70. We want only z, but here we got 35z. 35 is multiplying. It will comes to this side, will divide this 70. So 35 is transposed to left hand side, so that it will divide this 70. 70 divided by 35 is equal to z. 35 one time 35, 35 two times is 70. So 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 2 equal to z. So z is equal to 2. We got the value of z as 2. If your answer is correct or not, checking process. Substitute this z value 2 in left hand side of the question as well as right hand side of the question. If both answers are same, then your answer is correct. In the LHS of question, we have 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11. So wherever z is there, put there 2. 5z. So 3 is as usual, bracket open. 5z is nothing but 5 into z. So 5 into z means 2. 5 into 2. This minus 7, bracket close. Minus 2 as it is, bracket open. 9z means 9 into z. That tells us 9 is multiplied with 2. So 9 into 2 minus 11, bracket close. Just simply we can write 5 into 2 is nothing but 10. Remaining all are same, only 3, this minus 7, minus 2. 9 into 2 is 18 and this minus 11. 10 minus 7 is nothing but 3. So this 3 is same, only 3 into 3. Minus 2 is same. This in bracket what will come? 18 minus 11 is nothing but 7. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2 into 7 is minus 14. 9 minus 14 is minus 5. Go to RHS of the question. In RHS of the question we have 4 is multiplied with 8z minus 13 minus 17. So wherever z is there we can write 2. 8z is nothing but 8 into 2. Here z is only one term. Instead of z we are writing 2. 8z is nothing but 8 into z. So 8 into 2, remaining all same. 4. 8 into 2 is 16. Minus 13 same. Minus 17 also same. 16 minus 3 is 3 only. Remaining 4 and minus 17 same. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is nothing but 12. And this is minus 17. 12 minus 17 is nothing but minus 5. You observe 12 minus 17 is nothing but minus 5. Both the answers, LHS you got minus 5. RHS also you got minus 5. When you substitute instead of z 2, you got both LHS as well as RHS. LHS value and RHS value both are equal. Hence we can say that z value is 2 correct.